Keith, by Friday, sounds like a lot of us will be looking at this.
Yeah, well, some version of that. Some version of that. I was saying like a couple of days ago how I love snow, and if there's one thing, if we could make one small tweak to it, and it's impossible, it would make a huge difference for me.
Okay.
If parking lots and driveways and walkways could not be a slushy like 4 inches with water the next day, that would improve. I would love snow without any limitations at that point.
But sadly, we get a lot of that.
Yeah, it's just kind of how it goes. I saw the poorly targeted Facebook ad for me on a heated driveway.
Oh, not for you.
Well, I mean, I can't be like, oh, you should drive an EV and then heat your driveway to like.
Too bad luck.
To be fair, you also have a driveway the size of this table.
Yeah, that is correct. Yes, it is very small. That's why. Why'd you tell people that? I always brag about how I shovel it and it's like this big. It's all right. We got a couple of snow showers out there right now and rain showers too, but most of the night here will be quiet. I was just pointing this out because it's reaching into Bangor at the moment as a rain and snow shower. Tonight is quiet. Temperatures in the mid-30s for the most part and right about freezing into the mountains. Not a whole lot going on and the clouds insulating us. And tomorrow's a transition day as we wait for this storm system to arrive. Maybe a little pocket of sun in the morning and then whoop, that closes up. Clouds come in. It's actually not bad though temperature-wise. We're in the mid and upper 30s near 40 degrees and we start to develop a little onshore flow here. So ocean effect rain and snow showers, that's actually the hallmark before a decent sized storm I've noticed here in Maine is that you get this ocean effect situation, which is actually a precursor to where the coastal front is going to set up. So most of us by Friday morning, there's not a whole lot going on here at 5, 6 in the morning. So just be aware of that. Just the coast with some light snow. So a lot of us will be able to at least start the morning commute without issues. And then the snow comes in from southwest to northeast, starts to fill in through the middle of the day. Our rain snow line is the issue, right? We've talked about that. Models have definitely trended colder along the coast, specifically in Portland, just a little bit north towards Freeport into Brunswick. I think that looks colder than it did yesterday. The rest of the area looks the same. And right on the other side of this coastal front, Friday night into Saturday morning, it's going to thump snow just north of the front and continue snowing through the middle of the day Saturday into early Saturday afternoon. So the only change we really made here from last night is this 1 to 3 stopped about here yesterday, and now it's all the way to the coast because we have to account for Portland and even points south getting some accumulating snow. Inland looks the same, 6 to 10 inches, and then 10 to 14 in a jackpot that I could argue could extend a little bit more, but I don't like to change maps that much. So we're going to leave it for now. There's going to be some good snow out there. Guys, interesting kind of weenieism here. You look at how much snow could fall, models tell you that. They also tell you something called positive snow depth change, which is not the same. So you can have 10 inches of modeled snow and only accumulate 3 or 4. And that's what's happening with this storm along the coast. What it tells you is a lot of that snow is being lost by melting. So you have to take that into account. And that's the reason that the coast is still in 1 to 3, because a lot of people on Twitter are like, hey, this model is showing me like 10 or 11 inches. And I'm
but
like,
you're accounting for the difference.
Yes, I'm like Clark and National Lampoon. You honestly think I don't know that? I know that.
I'm aware. I know what's going on.
Thanks, Keith.